Right, I did a video short about spot welding this handle back on. Yeah, and it's done it, but it wants an extra spot weld just to make it secure. And it's sort of fairly interesting and really basic. So what we've got here is an old bit of sanding disc, and this time I'm just going to use a bit of this gaffer tape, duct tape, to hold that in place. That's an insulator. Yeah. Then got an old bolt, and I've ground a point on it, a point-ish on it. Yeah. And here's the article. So we got one spot welder, we need another. Now I've cleaned up the jaw of this outside leg vise, so that acts as a clamp, and this is all a bit fiddly to put it together. So effectively it's clamping that in place. Yep, there you go. We don't want this to contact there, so then this, the 12-volt car battery, that goes to the negative. Okay, so we're going to be using 12 volts to spot weld this together. So when I put this on there, we've got a dead short through the handle and through the sieve. All right, so let's just, so I've just moved the camera, so hopefully we can see it heating up there. So let's just give this a go. There we go. Hopefully that sorted that out. You need a battery with plenty of oomph. Right, let's let that cool down and then we'll give it a road test. Okay. Oh, that's better. Yeah, that's good. Little bit of bluing there, and we burnt through a little bit, but at least it's on there and we can use this again. Comments, discussion, yeah? Do you think it was worth it? Are you interested? As a point of examination and experimentation, I think it's mighty interesting. We spot welded stainless back together with a car battery. Cheers for now.